Let's say you want to remodel your shower, but maybe you don't have a lot of skills.
I think we've got the perfect solution, so stay tuned.
What's up, Flip fam? Welcome to the channel. I'm Travis, this is my wife Kayla, and we renovate houses one flip at a time.
And today we're gonna tackle one of the trickiest things in home renovation, the shower base.
Typically with the shower base, you can make one from scratch, but that takes a lot of skill because you're mixing mortar to build a base by hand. And if you're not comfortable packing the mortar in there, getting the slope right, making sure that it's waterproof, this could lead to leaks, water damage, and costly repairs.
Now, another option would be to get a pre-made base, like out of acrylic or other materials, but let's be honest, they just don't look as good.
That's why we think we found the perfect solution, a tileable shower base. So you get the premium look of a fully tiled shower base, but with the ease of DIY installation.
One of the companies that makes this type of product is Tile Ready. They didn't sponsor this video, but they did send us some products to try out. This kit includes everything you need for a fully tiled shower base.
We have Ready Flash, which is their flashing that goes in between the shower base and the wallboard, and this just helps ensure waterproofedness. We also have Ready Niche. We love this product. It's a great way to get perfect niches in your shower every time.
And finally, the shower base. And like the name says, it is ready for tile.
We dry fit the base to make sure it's gonna fit, and then we mix our mortar bed. We always use a mortar bed for shower bases and tubs, but it's essential with this product. It's so lightweight and honestly feels like styrofoam, but once it dried, this thing surprisingly was solid as a rock.
We laid plastic over the plywood so it wouldn't draw moisture out of the mortar. We then spread the mortar evenly and made sure it was the correct depth for our shower base. Place the pan in the mud base and firmly, but gently, shimmy the pan into the mud. And then just make sure everything's level.
Installing the Ready Niche is super simple. We've got a unique situation where we have horizontal studs here. Most of the time they will be vertical, but installation is just the same. Figure out placement, screw it in, and then cover the holes with silicone. Installation of the Ready Flash is also super simple. You just screw it in at the top of the shower pan and then put down a bead of silicone and install your wallboard directly over top. Make sure to apply a waterproof coating. We actually didn't get footage of this, but this is footage from the other shower. It's the same process. Just paint and roll that stuff on until it's waterproof. And with the niche, make sure you cover all the flange on the edge to ensure waterproofedness.
For the walls, we went with Subway tile because it's classic and cheap. But this honestly may be the last time we use it, just because it's so tedious and honestly, we're over it. But for this project, it worked out great.
For the shower curb, we wanted something that felt more premium than just using the same tile we did on the floor. So we headed to the big box stores where they sell this engineered stone. It's waterproof, it looks like marble, and it worked out perfectly.
This piece installs just the same as tile, and we used a small combination square just to make sure the overhang was the same all the way around.
For tile, we decided to go with a mosaic because all those grout lines give you extra grip. We actually got this stuff on super sale. Look at that. That's why you always check for clearances. Look at that savings. What a savings!
We always do a dry run of our tile to find the right layout, which for us is the one that involves the fewest cuts. All right, we've got our layout and we've got all of our tiles cut. Now we just get to tiling. tiles rarely fit a space perfectly, so we had to place a few strips and half pieces to complete the design. This is why planning your layout is essential to ensure any irregular cuts are tucked away in inconspicuous areas. We finished the walls by bringing the subway tile down to the shower base. We like to tape up the tile to keep it from sliding down so we don't lose our expansion gap.
We went with white grout on the walls for a nice, clean, classic look, and for some contrast, we went with black hardware.
We finished the curb on the inside with subway tile, and for the outside, we used the same tile that was on the bathroom floor for a nice, seamless, integrated look. That, and we had a lot laying around, so it was a no-brainer.
Instead of a door or a curtain, we wanted a more modern look, so we went with this window pane styled glass wall. We think it looks amazing. The only downside is you kind of have to reach across the door to turn on the water, so you might get an armful of cold water in the morning. And all that leaves is grout on the mosaic on the floor, and then this shower is done, baby.
This install was actually super easy and we loved the product. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Would you ever use a tileable shower base?
And be sure to stay tuned for more videos. We've got the complete bathroom renovation video coming up, as well as the final wrap up for this house. We've been busy with all kinds of projects, so we've got a ton of new videos coming your way, so stay tuned for that. Go ahead and let us know in the comments, what would you like to see from this channel? All right, guys, that is it for us. Big shout out to Tile Ready for sending us out one of the shower bases. We absolutely loved the product, and I think we're gonna be using it again on a ton of future renovations.
All right, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and other than that, we'll catch you on the flip side.
Bye.
Bye.